We are pleased to show you the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, power sunroof, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.